Welcome to the session on boosting teamwork and collaboration with Google Chat and Spaces. Hi, I'm Drew Rowney, and I'm a group product manager and lead the teams responsible for Gmail, Google Chat, and Spaces, driving forward our shared vision of a deeply integrated home for productivity at the heart of workspace. As companies emerge from more than a year of fully remote work into hybrid work, including my very own team here at Google, we know that a key question we are all asking is how to help our teams collaborate efficiently from anywhere. We understand that 74% of companies intend to shift some employees to remote permanently. So it's critical we help teams to build connections and to participate fully no matter where team members are located. After reflecting on the lessons of the past year, of remote work, what we recognize is that people need a new type of dedicated, shared space where ideas can flow freely, information is easily accessible, and great work can get done. That's why we introduced Spaces, the evolution of rooms in Google Chat, earlier this year. Spaces are the central place where people and teams of all sizes can share information on topics, make progress on projects, and build community as teammates. Spaces are the new home in Google Workspace for getting more done together. Let's walk through some of the ways that Spaces can help teams of all sizes by helping teams share knowledge, collaborate better, stay on top of what is important, and empower large organizations to stay connected, all with enterprise-grade security at the core. First, to help people find the information they need to get work done effectively, users will soon be able to make a space discoverable, so anyone interested in the topic can be part of the conversation by finding and joining that space. We believe that this will help our customers further strengthen company engagement and team culture, and improve the availability of information to fuel innovation. The content within a discoverable space will be searchable, even if you're not part of the space. For organizations that value transparency, this is a great way to create openness and make connections, ensuring that everyone has easy access to information and allowing communities to form and grow. We've worked with customers that have a wide range of internal data sharing practices. That's why we are building discoverable spaces with configurability in mind. So organizations can choose how to deploy them, with defaults to fit the culture that they want to foster. And with other features, like inline topic threading coming soon, people can reply to any message within a space, which allows for even deeper discussions and collaboration among team members. It also allows subsets of people within a space to have sidebar conversations and dive into more detail about specific topics without disturbing the main flow of the conversation. Second, we know that collaboration happens across multiple products, so we continue to integrate our solutions to help people work better together. For example, in Google Chat and Spaces, we introduced side-by-side editing with Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, making it easy to find and collaborate on a document without having to switch tabs, so you can have the context of the conversation while putting the finishing touches on that design document or making changes to the project proposal. We also made it possible to natively create a doc, sheet, or slide directly from within a space to save users time. Soon you'll be able to share to a space directly from a Google Doc. Spaces also work seamlessly with Tasks, Calendar, and Drive. We're building even deeper integrations across more services, including the ability to see the status of other members within your space, pulled directly from their calendars. And we've enabled Spaces integrations with other apps to improve collaboration. For example, we've been working with Atlassian to create a great Jira experience within Chat and Spaces, making project tracking with team members faster and easier. Third, we know that sharing information can be overwhelming, especially if you work across multiple work streams or you're just joining a new team. To help make it easier to stay on top of what's most important to you, you can pin spaces at the top of the list, and you will soon be able to pin important messages within a space, making it easy to find the most relevant information and stay connected. I personally keep the space for my cross-functional leadership team and the spaces dedicated to my top 2 to 3 priorities for the week pinned at the top, so I can proactively move them forward and make sure decisions are made quickly and clearly so no one ever feels stuck. I also use the Files tab constantly to check back on all the materials we are working on, or to reference a key piece of information built up in the Spaces knowledge base. Fourth, we are building Spaces with large communities in mind, adding support over the coming months for larger groups and organizations to stay in touch in a single dedicated space, whether in office or remote. We are introducing roles with space managers able to help drive and promote healthy conversations and elevate critical information to foster collaboration with member management and content moderation capabilities. This capability will help to bridge the gap between leaders and employees by facilitating constructive engagement, sharing knowledge broadly, and enabling employees to build social and work-related communities. And finally, safety is and has always been a top priority, with our Google Workspace tools being secure by default and private by design. Google Workspace was built in the cloud with enterprise-grade security at the core, and we're bringing more tools to keep our customers and their data safe. We want to do even more to give you enhanced information security. So we are excited to announce Data Loss Prevention, or DLP, for Google Chat. You can sign up for the private beta today, and it will soon be coming to all. This will help prevent sensitive and confidential information from leaking outside of your organization. Give admins more control over what users can share, and alert them about policy violations so they can quickly investigate and take action. It's critical to have robust administrative and security features. We built Chat and Spaces so admins have tools for content moderation, managing spaces, and ensuring the right rules are in place for communication internally and across domains and companies. To wrap up, thank you so much for joining me today to learn more about boosting teamwork and collaboration with Spaces in Google Chat. We are excited and committed to helping our customers succeed with Spaces as the dedicated, secure home for getting more done together. Please also remember to check out our other great Google Workspace sessions to deepen your understanding of how Workspace is enabling hybrid work and new patterns of collaboration. You can explore our Workspace website and Learning Center to learn more about specific products and how you can ready your team and organization to adopt Workspace. And lastly, you can stay on top of all the great Workspace news on the Google Cloud blog, as well as the Workspace Updates blog. Thank you for listening. I hope today's session was helpful in understanding how you can boost teamwork and collaboration with Google Chat and Spaces. Thanks again.